Told me that you party with girls. I told her that I party with friends. Do you wanna
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from Afsisterwig, and this is the invisible Swiss lace wig. So I got it in 18 inches, 180 density. So this hair is very thick. Like, it feels really full, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. For 108, yeah, 180 is meant to be thick actually. Yeah, I decided to cut the hair into a bob because I felt like just leaving it long was just a bit boring. So, you know, I really like the lace on the wig as well because it's so thin. Like, it literally just blends and melts into your skin. So this lace is meant for beginners. Like, so if you're not really good at melting your lace into your skin like me, because I'm still learning like the whole process and stuff. Like, if you guys watch my videos, you see I still have a lot to learn. Sometimes I overpluck my wigs, sometimes I don't melt the lace into my skin properly. So I feel like with this sort of lace, it makes it so much easier to like melt your lace into your skin, and it just helps it to look more natural. So when I was cutting the hair, I cut the back shorter than the front because I wanted to do like flip overs and stuff, so then the hair would look longer when I flip it to the side. So I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but you see in the video anyway. So yeah, this hair company, they're very affordable as well. That's one thing I've noticed. So if you're going back to school and you're looking for, you know, a very affordable wig, even if you're not going back to school but you just need a wig that's affordable and good quality and nice, then I would recommend Afsisterwig company to you guys because their wigs are amazing. So this is my first time working with them, but I am very impressed.
And even if I try to, I can never lie to, cheat or despise you. The love that I have for you, you're underrated, girl, cause a man wanna wife you. But you're lost in the sauce and it hurts. Put a couple G's in her purse so she could go party with her friends. Mad thing, I forget about man in the end, still trapping off, yeah. Flip a kilo to a milo, that's a million every day. I got what you need, the Dara, you know this. Why you losing focus, it's safe though.
Dara, girl, you're one in a million. No. Dara, girl, you're one in a million. The way you speak to me, oh baby, got me going crazy. Dara,
So as you guys can see, the wig comes pre-bleached and the lace is like so thin, guys. Literally, like, you can't even see the lace. Like, so this is the HD Swiss lace, and guys, look at how you can't even see. Where is the lace? Where is it? It's so thin. Like, I can't wait to install this wig. It came with a natural hairline, so all I did was I just plucked the hairline to make it look even more natural. So, you know, now I'm just going to install the wig and then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like on. Okay, so I'm done installing the wig, so I'm now going to take off my elastic band to see if it's done. It should be done by now.
I told her that I party with friends. Do you wanna talk to the girl?
So now I'm gonna try and do like the half up half down hairstyle. I'm hoping this goes well. I want to try and like finesse this without having to do any baby hairs at the front, so I'm actually gonna try because the lace is really thin, so I should be able to get away with it. So let's see.
What you want from me, my baby, I can get you diamond rings and pearls tonight. Oh shimmy shit, tell me what you want from me, my baby, I can get you all the finer things tonight. Oh no, tell me that you got me insane, oh baby, my shimmy shit, my shimmy shit.
Okay, so I'm done putting my hair up now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like grab it in the middle just so everything is nice and tight. This hair is too silky. It's really nice because it's so silky, but the only thing is I'm not sure if it's gonna stay in place. I want to try and see if I can grab some of the hair to like hide the elastic band, but I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm done installing my hair, so this is what the hair looks like, and I just think this is a really cute hairstyle. Obviously brings out your face because you have no hair on your face, and yeah, like, I just really like this. You guys can see how thin the lace is, really thin, so it literally just like it just melts into your skin. And I'm really proud of myself because obviously I plucked the hairline as well. It came with a natural hairline, but then I had to pluck it because it was just looking too wiggish. So comes pre-bleached, comes with a natural hairline, and it comes with an elastic band inside. Yeah, I hope you guys like this hair on me. I hope you like this hairstyle. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.